Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Welcome to Pakistan School Masjid Learning, and we are learning from our book Amazing Science Grade 4, and I'm your teacher, Mr. Dartaza. Welcome to the science class, student. This is the continuation of unit number 7, Magnets and Magnetism. Today's our objectives are, first of all, we'll review book pages 61, 62, and 63. Today we'll discuss about the project. I'm sharing you 3 of the project. We'll discuss all 5 activities during the class and in the online also, so you can choose that one also. Here I'm sharing 3 of them. After that there is a quiz, so let's start it, students. What is magnet, students? As we already discussed about it, that an object that can attract metals is called magnet. It has 2 poles, one is north and one is south. They have the strongest magnetic force at the end of the magnet, and the like poles repel and unlike poles attract each other. Means the same poles means north to north, south to south, they are moving away from each other, and unlike poles mean north to south or south to north poles, they have attractive force, they are moving towards each other. Don't forget these very important points, students, as we already discussed about it. Now we are moving on to the kinds of a magnet. Students, we discussed about 2 kinds in the book, that is about artificial magnets and natural magnets. Artificial magnets are the man-made magnet, which we already discussed, okay, and rock magnet, which is dark black in color, known as magnetite and lodestone, that is naturally found in nature, so that is a natural magnet. Electromagnets, when we are describing the electromagnets, it's like a 2 very biggest force joined together to make electromagnet. An electromagnet is a type of a magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current. As you can see that I'm sharing you the video as well right now. Yes, this is one project. I'm sharing you how can you make your own electromagnet. The things we need for making it, that is large iron nail. You can take any iron rod, iron bar, that is approximately 3 inches in length, thin coated copper wire, rice cell, batteries, electric tape, iron filings, paper clips, and other magnetic items to check your electromagnet. Now, a circuit diagram for making electromagnets. Very simple, that you just wound the wire around your iron rod, iron bar, iron nail that is connected with the battery, one end and second end. Okay, so it's behave like negative terminal behave like north and positive terminal behave like south. So now, students, I'm going to share you the screen with you, and it will help you how can you make an electromagnet. Iron nail or gold cutting. Yes. Rounding up wire is wrap, okay, and then rubber, and then connect the terminals with the battery. And now check. Now this bolt behaving like a magnet. If you are just turning the wire like this now, so it will help you more magnetic, the power increase. Okay, now if we have a smaller battery, then it is having a less power, and when we have a big battery, then yes. Okay, students, that I hope that this will help you to make your own magnet. Now we are moving on to the next project is about making a magnet. And how can you make a magnet? By using a needle or iron nail. You have to just stroke that one with a powerful magnet, and it will behaves like a magnet. As I discussed in the previous videos as well, that your magnet, it behave like a magnet means it's like look like that you can use it by making a compass, because you know that inside the compass there is a magnetic needle which can help us to find the direction. And the next one is to make your own floating compass. How can you make your own floating compass or magnetized needle compass? It's very simple, students. The things required are that are iron needle, okay, or steel needle, anyone you can take, magnet, bowl filled with water, card paper, cut in a circular shape. Check your magnetized needle compass direction with magnetic compass. Okay. Now you can watch the video in which it's required magnet, any shape of magnets. The shape doesn't matter. Needle, bowl of water, cardboard, and scissor for cutting this cardboard. Stroking it in one direction with the one pole of the magnet to make it magnetized, as we already discussed about it. At least 30 to 20 times you have to stroke to magnetize it. After magnetizing, we are just cutting the card paper in a circular shape. Okay. After cutting it, we need to fold it or mention the direction, and then put our needle over it, and then put this card paper to the water, and then compare with our compass. You can notice that the direction will be aligned with the same like the compass. As you can see that the compass needle is also start moving, but it stopped according to the Earth's north and south. Okay, so you can see your magnetized needle compass. You can use any other thing to put your magnetized needle over it, like bottle cap, okay, or you can use leaf as well. Okay, you can use leaf as well. Okay, anything that can float over our water, so that you can make your floating needle compass or magnetized needle compass. Now students, I hope that you enjoy learning and understood about your project. Anyone you have to submit. Okay, so it's a trivia time, students. Okay, natural magnets are made of rock. Yes, it's a true statement, students. Natural magnets are found in nature. They are black in color and look like a rock. A magnet can attract metals such as iron. Yes, it's a true statement. The full form of alnico is aluminium, nickel, cobalt. The ends of a magnet are called the poles. Good. Okay. And dash magnet is a temporary magnet. Yes, an electromagnet is a temporary magnet. I hope that you enjoy learning, students. Okay, now it's time to say Allah Hafiz to everyone. Have a very nice and blessed day, students. Don't forget to revise the lesson. Allah Hafiz.